Good morning. First of all, congratulations on clearing your DNB practical examinations.
Thank you so
Uh,
much, sir.
the start of this interview, this interaction, I'd like to ask you tell me your parents' name and what do they
Yes, sir.
do.
So my father's name is Dr. Vinay Gupta. He is a physician, and my mother's name is Dr. Sunita Gupta. She is an anesthetist.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
So,
where are they settled? Where they
in
live in
Faridabad, sir.
Faridabad. So you are
Yes, sir.
from Faridabad. Where
Yes, sir.
did
I'm from.
you graduation and post-graduation from?
Sir, I did my MBBS from KMC Manipal
Very good.
and did my MS from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jabalpur.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
you're working currently where?
Sir, I'm doing a fellowship in arthroscopy and sports medicine in Mumbai with
Okay.
Dr. Nagraj Shetty, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That's great.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, Dr. Alokik, for the benefit of your colleagues and your juniors, how did you go about preparing for your DNB practical exam?
So basically, I was a premium subscriber from 2021 to 2023. So during my second year of MS, I joined Conceptual Orthopedics. So I made notes, read everything from Conceptual Orthopedics, the books that were given by the Conceptual people, the trauma book, the pediatric orthopedics book, and yeah, and so yeah, I made notes during my MS times. I got a distinction in my MS because of those notes. I got
Uh,
76% in my MS. Yes, sir. Then I joined as an SR in Amrita with Dr. Mrinal, sir. Even he is a conceptual faculty only. So I was there with him for 1 year. Then I gave my DNB theory in May. It was my first attempt. I got 220 out of 400. And then I gave my practical in BVP Pune uh, on in September. So I just cleared that. I attended the DNB OSCE class that was there in Noida. So it was really helpful. At least I think out of the 20 OSCE questions, 6, 7 were directly from the class. Even more than that,
Okay.
I guess. Yeah.
Okay. So, anything special you prepared for your practical examination? Any tips you'd like to give to your juniors? What special effort you put in for your, what was your strategy of preparation for your practical, DNB practical, I'm asking about.
So basically, I had my concepts were actually pretty good because of conceptual orthopedics, as we say. My concepts are already pretty good from my MS exam. So I read those two OSCE books that were given to us 10 days prior to the exam. And I attended the 3 day class. That was really helpful because I had no idea exactly about the how to approach the OSCEs. So this class was really helpful in approaching the OSCEs. We gave a mock test also. I think I got just 37 out of 100 in that class. But yeah, because I wrote most of my answers on the back sheet of the paper, I had no idea you couldn't write on the back sheet of the paper, and my my answers were not too specific also. I wrote like we write in a theory exam, we write a para. So I got to know about the bullet points, how to write the bullet points, the important points, and how to write it, how to attempt it. So that really helped. So yeah, well, I would really recommend those DNB OSCE classes and the two books that were given to us. They were really vast and well, actually helped.
Okay. That's great. Great to hear that we were able to make a difference in your preparation strategy.
Yes,
But the major credit goes to you. You have to put in all the student has to put in all the hard work.
yes,
We as teachers can just be a guiding force. The
yes,
real hard work comes from the student, and that's because of your hard work that you have scored the marks that you have got.
yes.
Anything
Thank you, sir.
you would like to suggest conceptual to improve upon, or so that something you found lacking and something which can be done better? in future for your future endeavors and the for the upcoming students? Anything you'd like to suggest?
You can have shorter courses like 1 month, 2 month course, like because I was a premium subscriber for 2 years. I wanted a 3 months or a 2 months course just prior to my practical, so I couldn't get that. I wanted to do it because all the videos are available so easily there. I could have just, but yeah, that obviously, matlab that's the only suggestion I can give. The rest, everything is perfect.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Great to hear from you, and all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.